Are you struggling with proofreading your documents? You're not alone. Many people face common proofreading challenges that can make their work less effective. But fear not, we have solutions to help you overcome these hurdles. One of the most common proofreading challenges is overlooking small errors like typos and punctuation mistakes. To combat this, try reading your work out loud or in reverse to catch these sneaky errors. Another challenge is getting too comfortable with your writing, making it hard to spot mistakes. To tackle this, take a break between writing and proofreading to approach your work with fresh eyes. Consistency errors can also trip you up. Keep a style guide handy to ensure uniformity in spelling, formatting, and punctuation throughout your document. Lastly, don't forget to use tools like spell check and grammar check to catch any errors you might have missed. These tools can be a lifesaver in polishing your work. By being aware of these common proofreading challenges and using these solutions, you can improve the quality of your writing and avoid embarrassing mistakes. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.